In today's video, I'll show you how you can add fonts in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So for this one, I'm going to show you on how you'd be able to add your own custom fonts that you have downloaded. Because if you don't want to do this way, then the only option that you'd have is to import it from Adobe Library. So in here, we'll be getting our fonts from thefont.com. And from here, we can go into the fonts right here for free. So take note of their licensing because they might be only for personal use. So take note of that. And I'll just go for this one, which is a demo font right here. I'm going to click here on download. And from here, you want to start the download until it's completed. Just like this one, it shouldn't take too long because they are lightweight. And then just simply open up the downloaded folder. And then you should have it right here. As you can see, it is zipped. So you would need to right click on that and click on extract all so that you would be able to use the content. And then from here, once you have it extracted, you will now have this type of file. It says open type font file. Now, if you have other fonts that you have downloaded, you might have multiple files in this one. So in that case, you would have to do the same thing or install each one individually. For this one, I'm going to double click and then click on install. And then once it's grayed out, it would mean that it's already installed and now it's ready to be used in Premiere Pro. And again, if you have multiple open type font file, you can install all of them or just select the style that you would want to be installed into your computer that you would want to use. Now that I have installed it, let's go back into Premiere Pro and now let's type out something. So I'm going to go for font right there. And now remember the font name right here. So the font name is Demo the Moridane. So I'm going to go here into Essential Graphics. If you don't have this, it's right here in the window and go into Essential Graphics. And then in here is that I'm going to now change the font text right here. I'm going to go for Demo. And then we could go for Moridane instead since we are not seeing the file name. Right here. So we have the Moridane, which is this one right here. So here we have it. We have now installed this in our computer, and that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.